Let's discuss multifold reflections in thin films. Okay, generally already we got some idea about the thin films. Okay, and using the thin films you have to form the interference pattern. So here you have to consider a thin film ABCD. Okay, when a ray of light incident on a thin film, it will be partially reflected and transmitted. It means it will be reflected and refracted. Okay, so this refracted ray again it will be reflected and it will be transmitted and reflected. So this process goes on continuously. Okay, so for this continuous process of reflection and refraction, so we'll got the interference pattern, and already we got the idea. So the amplitude of the incident ray will be goes on increasing. Okay, so the initially amplitude of the incident ray is A. After it will be reflection and transmission, the amplitude of this ray will be goes on changes. Okay, for every reflection and refraction the amplitude goes on decreasing. So the incident ray having a amplitude A, okay, and now so the reflected ray on this same media having a amplitude AR, and for second media it will be transmitted and it is having a amplitude AT. So here R and T are the transmission coefficients from a rarer to denser media. This is the rarer media, it will be transmitted from rarer to denser media. Okay, so the transmission coefficient from rarer to denser media you have to take it as R and T. Okay, for denser to rarer media at that time you have to take it as R dash and T dash. Okay, so denser to rarer media here. So here is the denser media, it will be transmitted to the rarer media, at that time you have to take it as a T dash. Okay, so the transmission coefficients rarer mediaದಿಂದ ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆದಾಗ ಅವು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೋಎಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟಿ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ಅದು ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಟು ರೇರರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆದಾಗ ಆರ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೋತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ರೇಸ್ ಹಿಯರ್, these are the amplitude of refracted rays, you have to take it as AR, AT, RR dash and AT, RQ, R dash. So amplitude of this rays ಹೆಂಗೆ ತಗೋತಿರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ the incident rays amplitude A ತಗೋದ್ರಿ, ಈ ರೇ ಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗೈತೆ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೈತೆ, ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಕೋವಿಷೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಆಕತ್ತೆ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್, ಸೊ AR, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗೈತಿ AT ಆಗೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೇ ಅಗೇನ್ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಸೊ AT as it is ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೋಫಿಷಿಯಂಟ್ R. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗೈತಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆಗೈತಿ, ಇದು AT as it is. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಮಿಟ್ ಹೆಂಗೈತಿ ಡೆನ್ಸರ್ ಟು ರೇರರ್ ಮೀಡಿಯಮ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ T ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ATR as it is. So this will be reflected ray from here to here. So ATR, it will be reflected from denser to rarer media, so multiply R dash. So same here. So here this ray ATR as D and reflect agiti into R. So R into R square up. Okay, so it will be transmitted AT R square as it is and T dash from denser to rarer media. And here again this ray will be AT R cube into reflect agiti into R. So R square into R is R cube. Okay, this process goes on continuously. Okay, the ray first is reflected at a denser media. The ray first will be reflected from the denser media and it undergoes a phase difference. This ray, only first ray will be undergoes the phase difference, and next second ray, third ray, fourth ray, these are be reflected from the rarer media. Here is the rarer media, it will be reflected from the rarer media. So the reflection will be takes place from the rarer media. At that time there is no phase difference. So the rays 2, 3, 4, these are not changing the phase, but the only ray first will be changing the phase because it will be reflected from the denser media, and these rays are reflected from the rarer media. Okay, so the next, so these rays are out of phase with the first ray. Okay, you ಎಲ್ಲ rays phase same ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, but these rays are out of phase from the first ray. So first rays ಮತ್ತು 2, 3, 4th rays compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ out of phase. Okay, but 2, 3 compare ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ they are in phase because this is from phase, it is having a phase difference phi. Okay, so next you have to find out the resultant amplitude of 2, 3, 4 is given by, so A equal to resultant amplitude of 2, 3 to the amplitude AT R T dash. Here the resultant amplitude you have to take AT RT dash, AT R cube T dash, and next ray will be AT R raised to 5 T dash. So these are here I taken. Okay, and A equal to, here for this resultant amplitude you have to take a common ATT dash R as a common. Here remaining term is 1 plus, here is R cube is there, 1 R is here, so R square plus R cube plus R4, so on. Okay, as R is the less than 1 inside the bracket from a geometrical series. So you have to know about the geometrical series. Infinity equal to k equal to 0, a raised to r raised to kn, a divided by 1 minus r. Okay, so as per geometrical series you have to write this one as a equal to a tt dash r 1 divided by 1 minus r square, and a equal to, so here you have to multiply inside ATT dash r divided by 1 by r square. So according to the principle of reversibility, so you learned about the principle of reversibility in the Stokes theorem. Okay, Stokes theorem for reflected light. So next reflected and transmitted light, next you have to take according to the Stokes theorem T dash equal to 1 minus r square. So you have to put the T dash value 1 minus r square in above equation. So A equal to A into 1 minus r square, T dash value is 1 minus r square into r divided by 1 minus r square equal to AR. Okay, this intensity of reflected light goes on decreasing. This shows that intensity of reflected light goes on decreasing. Okay, this is the multiple reflection in thin films. Okay, thank you.